Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to use Google Classroom on your iPhone. So Google Classroom is an application that created by the Google to facilitate the students as well as the teacher to have an online school or online class. So you can do the class everywhere and every time. So the way that you have to do is just install the Google Classroom first. So the Google Classroom, it will be like symbolized with this, and after that you just need to like install this into the App Store, and after you install them, go click it to open it. And the first ever look, whenever you haven't ever logged in into the Google Classroom, there will be like one symbols or one button, so you just need to follow every step that you find on your screen. But here I already signed in with my account, and you can see this is the looks whenever you already signed in. If you are a teacher and you're willing to create a class, go click create a class. But then if you're students, you want to join the class, you just need to go click this join class. So let's try the student one. So by joining the class, you will be asked the class code that to join the class. So the class code will only can be found from your teacher. So just ask your teacher about the code that you need to add to join the class. So that's the way if you're a student. While if you're a teacher, you need to create the class. By go click this button, and you just need to checklist the button, go and click continue, and you just need to create the name of the class, the sections, the room, and the subject that you teach. And after you're done, you just need to create. So I would like to give you an example for the class. So let's say the class name is Rose, is for having fun. The section is, you just need to like type it by yourself. And room 2, the subject will be math, and you just need to go click create. Wait a second, and here we go. We already have the class, and you just need to invite your students by go click this settings part and got the class code here, or you can also send the invitation link for your students. So that is the way how to use Google Classroom on an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you for the next video.